Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Brigida Fernando Nepomuceno. I am 43 years old. I live in Quezon City, Philippines. Single and one child age of 7 years old. I am high school graduate. I was worked in UAE for more than 5 years. I serve 4 members of the family with 2 children age of 5 years old and 3 years old, and one couple. And in Saudi Arabia, I worked for more than 4 years with 2 children age of 8 years old and 2 years old, and one couple. My main duties are to taking care of the kids and play with them. I helping them to taking a bath and preparing their things every time they go into school and cook for them. While them at the school, I do my household chores such as cleaning, ironing, do laundry, and cooking. I am a person who's hardworking, patient, loving, kind, and energetic, and trustworthy. I am work with you to earn money for the better future of my family, especially to my son. If you choose me, you will not regret it. I love your children as my own. I assure you to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.